Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, as per the time you are seeing this video. Today I'm gonna talk about ET Markets. It is an app which is so convenient and useful to stay updated about market informations and the news going around in the market. So as you can see on the left hand side I have gone, you can see the market, you can see the home which we were on, recommendations from many analysts, indices, stocks, IPO sectors. I'm going to talk about everything in detail in this video, and maybe you can see here the news regarding other things. So here industry, which you want to see the news and stocks of which industry, you can go according to the industries as well. Economy, then personal finance, there are many things, and even you can bookmark some news which you found very relevant and you or you want to read it afterwards. So here also you can see everything the same we gone through there. You can see your recommendation section. You can see the many famous organization are giving their recommendation for today, that buy this thing, the price target is this
सोचा
and
नहीं
that.
था वक्त
So you can, if you can do your own research on this, and you can, if you find it valid, you can sell or buy according to that. Now coming back to my research, why I am recommending this app, why I am recommending you to download this app is, you can see everything on one go. You can see the indices, major indices, Nifty 50, Nifty Bank, all on one page. You can see they are going up or down. You can see foreign markets as well here. I'll, okay, so really sorry for that. So as I told you that you can see the indices. Now you can see here, this is my watch list, or and this is the scripts I visited at last. Then here we have trending stocks inside for the day. So here give us the information about the trending stocks on today and why they are trending. All the information, like I clicked on Bharat Forge, they are saying in last 16 years they are giving you all the facts, troublesome times and everything. Now let's go ahead and move to next thing. Now they are giving slideshow that which stocks may give impressive returns. You can see this information. Let's suppose I want to see this information. Now I don't have time to completely read this information because I have to go on others as well. So here you can see this bookmark button. I will bookmark this, and as I told you, I can go here, go to bookmarks and see, as I told you, that we can see this later on as well, because it's not possible that I will get this information again on the first page only. Now, the best part of this app is, here you can see the equity gainers. I've never seen such an incredible app and such an easy go app. So you can see the equity gainers of today. Now, if you click on losers, you can see those shares which are losing today. Then you can go for screener and see the fundamental analysis, which are growth stocks, which are high dividend giving stocks, sorry, mid cap stocks, which are blue chip company in which you should invest. Everything is there on just one go. So that's why I'm telling you again and again that this is an amazing app. Okay, let's go again back to home, as I was saying. So as we saw the list of equity gainers, we can see the list of equity losers as well. I showed you that as well. Now let's go for stock screeners. We have everything on one touch. Okay guys, now we have I want to go for growth at a reasonable price. So you can sort this as well if you want the company's name, volume, last traded price, anything. Filter. So let's assume that I wanna go with earning price to earning ratio, I want between 10 to 15. I want revenue of more than 20%. So in this way I can go. Annual pat I want between 1k to 5k. I want CAGR of 10 to 20%. I want quarterly revenue of at least 10 to 15%. You can arrange it here as well. I want 10 to 20 and not that. So I can select and customize it myself as well. I want mid cap. I don't want a large cap. Okay, apply. Now you can see what we have got according to my research, and we can and if I want I can invest in all these stocks. So this is how you can use the screener as well. So if you want to save the screener you can go for yes, and if you don't you can go for no. Now let's go and IPO. So in
सोचा
this you
नहीं था
can
वक्त
see the
कभी ऐसा भी दाव
open
खेलेगा,
IPOs, which you already
पर
know
हम भी
that there
ऐसे
are four
दौड़ेंगे
IPOs
वक्त
going on.
भी।
You can go on upcoming IPOs.
सोचा नहीं था वक्त
Both of
कभी
them are
ऐसा भी
going
दाव
to open
खेलेगा,
tomorrow.
पर
Recently listed, so you already know about MTAR and all. So as you saw the recently listed, now let's go on news, and you can see the news that Lakshmi Organic IPO subscribed 2.62 times. There are ample of news on IPOs. So if you want to see any IPO, and if you want to see that you should buy that IPO or not, you can see this in this section, news section. Kalyan, a good plain organized jewelry, but weigh the risks. Will Junjunwala bag Nazara IPO break records on Dalal Street? So there are ample of information available on this app. Now let's go to podcast. So here we have investors, great investors who are giving their information and their insights on what they think market is going to do now. So if you want you can listen to that as well, and they are amazing. I have read them, I have listened them, so I can bet on them. Sectors, now you can see here you can see which sectors are performing great, which are not performing good, or which are okayish. So you can see here that now we have industries section, mutual funds. You can see which mutual funds are giving more returns than the others. Then we have commodity section where you can see the commodities, the price of the commodities. You can see that the price of gold is today high, crude oil is going down, copper is going down. Then here we have forex market, that is you can see the currencies. You can here use currency converter. Then global currencies, you can see the name of the currencies and whatever you want, anything related to that. And the news, same just like we saw in IPO sector, that you have everything, and the end sector is about all the news relating to the same specific conditions. Now let's go for bonds. So this app is amazing, if I would say. We have many apps. It's not the only app available for commodities and for stock market and for news. There are many other apps as well. In upcoming videos, I will talk about those apps as well. But why I made this video is for you all to understand that any video that I will make on the upcoming days will not those app will not be as great as this ET market. Why? Because every app has this specific uh, they have their speciality. But the speciality of ET market is they combine all the information you will get from five different apps. So the speciality which ET Market has created is they have combined all the information which is needed for understanding the market and news, and combine them into one. Like we go on money control for the news, we go on screener to see the screeners, and you can see that we have here
सोचा
screeners
नहीं
as
था
well.
वक्त कभी ऐसा भी
We saw that how you can go for the screener and how you can find the best stocks you want. You can save your screeners here as well, so you can see everything you want in one app. While when I will go over other apps, you will see some specific information on specific apps, but ET market is different. Now here we have uh, personal finance, where you can see your investments. If you have done, you can see how you can invest, 5 things to know about investment classes, fundamentals. Then here we have how we can save, what are the other things. Then here we will get information regarding taxes, real estate, personal finance. So this is it for this app. You should, I would say that you should just open this app and you should just see how well this app is, and you should understand how it works, and you should just go and scroll this app, so you will get more and more information. As you can see in personal finance section, there is calculator as well, so whatever you want you can get that. So let's go and some do. If you want, do you live in metro city? Yes. So what you want? Basic salary, you can do every, this is income tax calculator. It will give you all the information. Let's assume that whatever it is giving is the same. So this will provide you with all the deductions that you will get, and finally the summary, that what will be your gross total income and total deduction. I think I didn't give much information, so there are no details available. But as you can see, if you go down, what are the percentage on what are the slabs of income tax, by what rate, what is, you can see everything. If you are above 8 years, these are your tax rate slabs. If you are between 60 to 80, this is the tax rate slab. If you are below 60, this is the tax rate slab. So you can find everything you want on this app. And if you want definition, they will give you that as well. So I think there is nothing which is missing here. So that is why I will suggest you to just download this app and just go around with this app and see what this app offers you. I am sure it will offer you so much knowledge that you can't get anywhere. So stay tuned for more videos. I will be coming with my next video tomorrow. Till then, goodbye. Have a good day.